Bafowethu, man of the match performance from Cameron Danson in that midfield for Orlando Pirates namhlanje. Bafowethu, I just hope this is the breakthrough season for Cameron Danson in that midfield for Orlando Pirates. I like this boy Bafowethu because he's a technician. Lo mfana lo ibhola uyalazi. He's proper developed. He understands his position in the midfield. And namhlanje utshengisile against the midfield FC ukuthi bafethu lo mfana lo angaba mncane nge-age but engqondweni mdala bafethu ibhola uyalazi. That's development for you, right? I just hope ucoach Abdeslam Wadu will believe in him this season because last season kusaqala isizini ucoach Abdeslam Wadu spoke highly of him and he played him in the game ye-Sundowns. Then after that umfana ngiphindanga ngambona ngaze ngambona towards the end of the season against Stellenbosch, right, when Orlando Pirates were about to lift the Betway Premiership. Hopefully this season is going to play a lot of games for your Orlando Pirates in that midfield. The competition is tough, but this boy Bafowethu, I think he has been at Orlando Pirates long enough for him to understand the culture of the club and to understand his style of play. Saka coach Abdeslam Wadu. I hope this is the season for the boy because Bafowethu istyle mfana lo and sisazobona okuningi. Yabona lokho nikubone namhlanje kusasekuncane Bafowethu. If he plays throughout the whole season, star boy leyo Bafowethu. Salute. Dancing shoes.
Opening game of the season and Orlando Pirates isivele yavulela induku lapha esigodini kubulawa eMilford. Ayikho ke into emangazayo ngalento eyenzeke la, into ebesivele silindele on paper. But we would be lying if we said this was an easy game for the Pirates. In fact, they made it so hard for themselves. They almost made some costly mistakes. Lapa emuva, a bit of complacency in the defense. Yabo, if they were playing against a much more clinical side, the Pirates bizobulawa ngenduku. But luckily for them, Milford was able to capitalize. There is one thing I loved about the Pirates though in this game is that they were trying to feed their striker. They were intentional with that, especially on the first half. If you noticed, Umremi bedlala kwa right most of the time in the first half. And the intention for that is for him not to cut inside. Because if he cuts inside, edlala kwa right, uzovela ngo left, which is his weaker foot. But if edlala kwa right, it gives him the ability to put in those crosses first time for Umbuthuma or Radiopane to capitalize as the striker. And sibonile the amount of crosses iPirates bizama ukwafaka eboxini, whether it was Usibelebele, Umremi or Dion Hoto. So they were intentionally trying to feed their striker, but unfortunately it wasn't to be. One thing Milford did so well was not allowing all of the Pirates to play football. Because if they allowed them bebezoba nenkinga, they were trying their best to press. Ingako bebacommit ama-fouls amaningi kangaka on the likes of Cameron Danson, on the likes of Tito, because they were trying so much to squeeze the pitch to make it as small as possible so that Orlando Pirates ingakwazi ukudlala. The second goal, it's a typical example of when you are one goal down and you're trying to push upwards to try and get that second goal. You play a high line, you leave a lot of space in behind. A team like Pirates will capitalize. Ball over the top by Usiema. Umremi makes the beautiful run and he scores that goal. Nice touch by Orlando Pirates by getting the full 3 points. Let's see what happens in the game. But in Milford, not a bad performance for first timers. We bet a Premiership. Yabona la ngathi sizoba nenkinga encane la. Sizoba nenkinga encane. Kabelo Khositsile. Kuhamba abanye kuvumbuka abanye. Ayikho lento ePirates. Ayikho. Ngutshele mina. Kodwa ke as a football fan, I can't wait to watch this boy Kabelo Khositsile. Likhona ibhola labafana. Likhona ibhola labafana and I know ukuthi uzoyithola egame time. Ngibone ucoach Abdeslam Wadu ashaya izandla when he took one of the players on and won a foul and won a free kick. Izinto coach Abdeslam ayithandayo lezi. We are about to see Khositsile ball and into emnandi we will be there. So it's corner out here.
Yo, we've got another 2,000 to deal with. But I warned you. I said Mufokeng leaving is no difference. It makes room for Danson. After that standstill he did to Ronan Williams, I know what to expect from him. And look, Busquets taking touches in the midfield, under pressure, turning players, ball control, calm under pressure. Even at one stage I saw him dribbling 3-4 players, getting out of pressure, and the press that Milford were coming with. Danson, we're going to survive another one. We just let go of one. Danson must leave. We cannot have and 2000 control the midfield battles. No, Danson, it's time, my brother. I've seen enough 2 games. I knew after Sundowns that goal. I said already, is going to be a problem. Big problem. Linesmen are in trouble this season. My team, Bayern Milford, High Line. Hey, when last time you seen a high line in the Betway Premiership? High line. Any ball over offside. Even 1 or 2 the linesman got wrong. But that's what it does, that high line. Sundown's the only one playing it, if I remember correctly. Now, Milford, toe to toe. And now I told you guys, this season, Milford is going to be a problem. Top 8 finish for Milford. I'm saying it now with my chest. No fear or favor. Hey, Police had a shaky game. Scoring the free kick, which was a deflection. Besides that, Pirates did not create too much. Weren't as threatening as I expected them to. But I was expecting a 4 somewhere there, because Pirates in that slaughterhouse where they slaughter animals and allegedly. But yeah, it was an okay game. Milford, you got into such promising positions, but you're overdoing it. Trying to be fancy, doing fancy flicks. Keep it simple. And that's what killed Milford today. It was just the inexperience of the Betway Premiership. Pirates could see it out, grind it out, and then Moremi is faster than everybody. See, that's the problem with the high line, is that Pirates got speedy players. One ball over the top that can break that whole system. Because if Moremi is gone, you're not catching him. If Moremi breaks the line, just stand and watch him and see what the outcome is. You're going to try to sprint back, you're going to pull a hamstring. But yeah, Milford, well played for a debut. I'm not too mad. Just some decent chances, man. And Pirates made mistakes here and there, but it's okay. The first unsuccessful hate watch, but it's all right. I'm not too upset because it's a result we all expected, though.
Hello, Sisi. Ngikubuza zi-office ze-Milford ezo. Akuzizo i-wrong number. Zi-office zantoni ezi? There's a Kaizer Chiefs. Shaba! We are very excited. Sorry? No, sisibe wrong number ndiphazamile. I think ile nto uba isizini isaqala, so ifone yam ise confused. Last season, when lahlekela kuni sisuxolo. Yes, uTumelo Drum, speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates. Yes, ne president abalandeli bebhola. iAfrica yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Shaba to the next level. Mamela sisiyeke le nto ba ke ngoku ndilahlekele kuwe. Ayondlela inice yothetha nomuntu xa ugqibele kudala uthetha naye leyo. Uyibonile iPirates? Sisi? iPirates is unqedable. Bathi kuhambe umfukeni ngoku iPirates kuphelile. Soze sisi, iPirates kuhamba abanye kuvuka abanye. iPirates kaloku ize abantu babonwa pha kuthi. Ubayeke ke ngokwabe sisenazo ezinye ingxaki, oMremi, oApolice, nombatha, noMasanganye, bayeke aba bakhoyo. Ubonile? Bayeke aba benhleni bazi. Ubonile omnye ofikayo? uRhositsile umbonile? Isezoba lizinyo eliqaqambayo. Bathi itsoni. Umbonile? We are playing extra large football. To the next level. Uzakhona? To the next level.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Sanjabulela ku 3 point win enutholile. And iso number 1 for now, but nje engifuna ukusho nje ukuthi we remain unshaken. Asina ndaba nokuthi kwenzakalani emaceleni kwethu. Thina sifocus nje kuthini on our journey. That's what we're focusing on, not what's going on kwa next door kwabani. Thina sifocus ekuthina nje shame. Nathi sizoyiwinela ngendlela yethu. Sizozenzela nje nathi umsebenzi wethu ngendlela yethu. So we just focus, we remain unshaken. That's the word of the day. We remain unshaken. Yes, Sanjabulela, but we remain unshaken. We're not scared of anything. See, focus nje kwi-journey yethu. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, lokho nje.
Nah, kya. Sibuyile bafethu, we are so back. PSL is back. Orlando Pirates is back. Our bread and butter is back. Hayi bafethu ke hayi kabi Milford. Hayi mhlawumbe ukuthi sixabene u3 points siudinga kakhulu ukudlula nina. Lento le ayikho ngani ingathi yabo bekumele ke kodwa egcineni kube khona umuntu okhomba umuzi onotshwala mfethu. Yabo and bengeke ke kubithina ke Milford ihlanganisile mfethu amapass. Iteam ezobhayiza izoba nenkinga midlala neMilford. Yabo bafethu hibu uyena ngempela yazi uyena ibuke lento no goal no assist midfield masterclass bafethu udancing isikhathi sakhe miyekeni ulendile bafethu udancing yabona ke bafethu dance ibambe kanje man of the match wena vele uyayideserve ngendlela right nje bafethu amajuthu yabona ukuthi abasa defroster mfethu Conte off Conte bandayo kodwa ke win is a win u3 points unobalekile kusazo develop chemistry esekuqhutshwe kwamfethu kudlala ibhola mfethu sithola 3 points yabo ngendlela right nanakhona first goal of the season for a midfielder of the season. Rest in peace Jaden Adams, jersey number 23 mfethu. Angeke apolice ukuqhubeka la igcine khona. Sipho chain uqhubeka la igcine khona ngama clean sheets of CM abafethu defender of the season. What a pass. Hayibo. Tsepang extend the lead siphuma kanje sithatha 3 points. Yabo nje bafethu makukuthi mfethu kanjani siwina mfethu ngawo ama-scrappy wins into ebalekile 3 points. Maningi ke abantu ke abashaya ama-debut abo ke second half angeke ngize ngijudge kakhulu kodwa yabo ukhositsile ngathi khona ezayo kodwa ke up the box imnyama lento.
Opening day yeBetway Premiership, the defending champions Orlando Pirates, they won their first game 2-0 against Milford. Quick shout out to Dancing, ayalazi bafana likhuphukile izinga la. Hayi bani even the belphihliza la mntanami, and he was man of the match. Well deserved man of the match. Yabona izinga malikhuphuke kanje no man iBetway Premiership izoba mnandi this season, izoba mnandi ngempela. Yabona uCameron Dancing, hayi bafana, hayi ungenhla lo mfana ungenhla, ngiyafisa ngathi singashaya isubdeal sibanike ucele basinikeze nangu mfana. Hayi man, hayi another player ephakamisile mfethu ngiye ngabona ngathanda futhi indlela usibelebele ade dlala ngayo future bafana iBright buye iBright sibelebele he also improved igame inama positives akhona nama negatives akhona. Mina okay akuyonto negative kodwa ngizoyiveza lento ukuthi mina I can't really blame uMbuthuma ngaleyo ndlela mfethu because supply okay number 10 mina nika striker mfethu amabhola simbone ehluleka uMbuthuma. Okay Mbuthuma uhlulekile ku number 9 kodwa if ungaboni nama forward pass aya kuMbuthuma mfethu ngizomdefender mfethu ngithi abamnika amabhola yabona yes siyamazi ukuthi akekho clinical iyashweba le yankonzo and amathuba watholayo abengekho decent leyo ndlela bekwamathuba nje anyone engathola. But yeah Orlando Pirates mfethu opening game yayibinhle kakhulu siyibongela osina police great free kick wengazi ukuthi wena ukuthatha over Central Mafokeng ehambile. Yeah, it's gonna be fun and angisale sengisho lento le this season I will not be hate watching get better. I will not be hate watching this season, no.
Alright, so there were not too many negatives in this game, but two things that I picked up. CBC, Buttuma. Firstly, Orlando Pirates are not successfully defending the league title using CBC as a starting defender. No disrespect to Bodlela, but no. Right, and not only because of that reckless mistake that nearly costed them conceding the opening goal. There were so many indicators that really proved that no, he cannot be starting the whole season if Pirates are to defend the Betway Premiership title. Buttuma, I still don't know what Owadu sees in Buttuma that we do not see, or what everybody else doesn't see, right? Because as soon as Radio Man came on, everything sparked, right? There was better link-up play up front, managing possession better, and being able to use the possession to actually pose a real threat. Right? I saw Buttuma getting a chance inside the box in the first half. Passed the ball. How do you pass as a striker from that possession? Where's the selfishness from a striker? So I really don't know the purpose of having Mbutuma up front. Is it really to score with him or to create those spaces that they always talk about, that he pulls defenders to open up spaces? I really think that's his primary duty at this point, because him not shooting from that position, from that distance, really proved to me that no, shooting is not really his primary job. That's not what he's told to do. But for me, I would be starting Radio Man. I mean, he did very well in the preseason. Why not? If a striker is scoring, then what else do you need from them? Right? So those are the two things, the only two things that I noticed from this game that were the negatives for me. Not really a lot.
Okay, bafethu. That's it for video namhlanje. And before I get into the review, I mean, I just want to say, Urile won his first trophy in Europe. That's a huge achievement. Mfethu. That's a huge achievement by Urile. Mfethu. As teenagers, Amapagania, we are proud of him. Mfethu. We will always be proud of Urile. But okay, going to game namhlanje. Honestly, I wasn't expecting fireworks. I wasn't expecting fireworks. I know a lot of people were saying Milford, the team TDC, the Pirates are my champions, but I was not expecting of Mafoni. Utunil was the score I was expecting. Because you need to look at the fact that if igame yokuqala ama-player awakajeli ngendlela leyo mfethu, because even ubuka ama-game e-preseason besingekho that fluid, but you can see ukuthi some ama-players mfethu asadinga ukuthi yabo ngathini mfethu nje mfethu a-defrost abe-right mfethu adlale grand, because amanye ama-mistake enziwe mfethu abosibisi nabombatha almost cost acishe sikhosta nge-first half ne, but we managed to survive. So yeah, that goes to show ukuthi vele mfethu ama-player mfethu asa-relaxile kancane man, awakalokhi ini ngendlela mfethu amele alokhe ini yabo. So yeah, and the fact that i-Milford mfethu iyafika nayo mfethu, they are trying to show ukuthi abekho la to add numbers. And looking at how they played ku-NFD and how they got promoted, kuma-playoffs wabona kuma-playoff ukuthi they were actually better than Imagesi ne-Orbit College. So by team is serious. So shout out to them and the way they played. Into engayisho bafethu ukuthi I felt like Police was first half was holding on to the ball for way too long, and I felt like Kumremi was just rushing things in fact. And I feel like first half mfethu into ebishaya kakhulu i-decision making like lapha masemele sokora lapha, because sometimes you think ukuthi Hotto is going to shoot or Hotto akhathi ibhola back, you think ukuthi same as umuntu bekashilo uthi ukuthi uMbuthuma will shoot, uMbuthuma will pass. So decision making, bruh, that's why Urile was so important to us, because Urile ku-final third was so smart. Beka smart ngama-decision akhe, whether bekashooter or assisting, decision is smart. So right now I feel like yonke into esenza phambili senza nge-speed, and lokho ngeke kusize, because sometimes mawufika ku-final third you just need to calm down, bruh. It's okay ukuthi idlale nge-speed from the back to the middle, but masifika phambili, but you don't need to rush everything Mremi, bruh. But still a good win mfethu, considering ukuthi last season game ethu yokuqala we lost it. So it's a good win for us, and shout out to the boys for winning, and mfethu i-PSL ibuyile and we're gonna be doing this thing. It was a good season, so please bafethu subscribe, comment and do all those things bafethu, ngiyazi ningaskip ama-ads, and thank you for subscribing and comment, and ngizonibona nge-game ye-Chiefs. Yabonga.